Listen, we can all agree that Dubai chocolate is getting rinsed out this Ramadan, so what better way to start it off by making these delicious pistachio Kunafa stuffed dates. They look so bougie and taste delicious and are so easy to make. I started off with some dates which I washed and took the pit out. I'm then making the Kunafa stuffing, which is basically some katafi, also known as phyllo dough. You want to toast that in some butter. Honestly, it smells incredible, and add in your pistachio paste. Usually with pistachio paste, I love using the one from Michael's, but this is the one I got from Costco. I mixed that in and then also mixed in the tahini, and that is the Kunafa filling done. You then want to spread the Kunafa filling into the dates using a knife. Honestly, they look incredible. I added some toothpicks in and put them in the freezer for 10 minutes so they sat. I prepared my toppings, which is some chopped pistachio nuts, and also started to temper the chocolate. Honestly, tempering chocolate in the microwave is so easy. You just have to melt the chocolate in 30-second bursts. Like seriously, look at how amazing, glossy and shiny that chocolate looks. And then finally, you want to add in some additional chocolate, give that a good mix and make sure to not microwave it again. And that is the tempered chocolate done. It's now time to dip in the dates into the melted chocolate. This is where inserting a toothpick and allowing it to set makes the dipping process so much easier. To make these look super pretty, I added in some additional crushed pistachio onto the dates. I then melted some additional pistachio paste, added that into a piping bag and drizzled it all over the dates. You want to use a very fast motion to get straight lines. Pop them back into the fridge and they are ready. Honestly, I was so proud of these. They looked super cute and honestly make the perfect present for someone during Ramadan. I could not get over how pretty these looked and how easy they are to make. For references, the dates I used were Medjool dates around 250 grams and the chocolate was 300 grams. Seriously, just listen to this crunch. It's so good. Also, adding it to a paper wrapper makes it look so cute and professional. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.
يا حبيبي يا شفيعي يا رسول الله بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي يا محمد أتيت بالسلام والهدى محمد حبيبي يا محمد